Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to my new YouTube channel Pharmacovigilance Basic Course. I am Abhitav Mukherjee. I am a master's in pharmacy and I have done postgraduate diploma in business management. I have almost 20 years of experiences in the pharmaceutical industry. I have hands-on knowledge on different subjects. So I worked in pharmaceutical marketing, working in medical scribing, and I have hands-on experiences on pharmacovigilance, medical coding, medical scribing, market research, regulatory affairs, clinical research industry. So I will provide the knowledge one by one. Today I will start on the pharmacovigilance basic course. I have started this channel specially for those to provide the basic knowledge or cracking an interview. So I have almost seen that a lot of students after completion of the pharmacy, they always very confused which career they will pursue. Either they will go for higher studies or they will pursue a career in pharmacovigilance, clinical research industry, or they will go to the core department. So it's a very important decision for them and as well as their career also. So they are standing as a crucial junction after completion of that pharmacy. So for that reason I have started. I will provide the knowledge in which career they will go in the later on. First of all, I will start the pharmacovigilance today basic course. I have made the slides very crystal clear, along with that is written in very easy languages. So for any clarifications and if anyone wants to get all the slides on PPT presentations, they can personally contact in my WhatsApp number. Also, I would love to like to get some feedback about this. My personal WhatsApp number is 98364 71317. I am repeating once again. My personal WhatsApp number is 98364 71317. Definitely, it's a nominal charge for the course if they need the course. Okay, it's a very nominal charges I have already kept for them. So without wasting any time, today I will start on pharmacovigilance and I will go to the upload the slides after that. And in the coming days, I'll do some YouTube videos regarding that career guidance in pharmacy, medical coding, medical scribing, and so on. So guys, pharmacovigilance, what do you mean by that? I have made the slides like that. The topics you will cover, especially here, that what is the pharmacovigilance in general term, what is the etymology of pharmacovigilance, what do you mean by the pharmacovigilance, along with the definitions. This definition is given by WHO, that is what is the organization definition, and there are some self-assessment questions and quizzes. Pharmacovigilance came from basically two words. It consists of two words, pharmakon and vigilia. So pharmakon means it's a Greek word meaning the drug, and vigilia it's the Latin word. It means keep a watch. So if anyone wants to know of any interviewer ask any questions, what do you mean by pharmacovigilance in colloquial term or anything? They can say that it's a drug safety. Pharmacovigilance is known as medicine safety, or it's a strict watch on the medicine. Strict watch on the medicine that is already in market, as well as also that is undergoing in clinical trial. So you know clinical trial is there for getting a medicines or for a new medicine when it will launch in the market. Clinical trial is utmost essential for them. So after launching there are a lot of side effects in that product. So to just notify along with that to prevent that adverse event and health hazards, pharmacovigilance is very much important. So I'm coming that pharmacovigilance definition. It's a WHO definition, that is the pharmacovigilance is the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effects or any drug related problems. That is the definition of WHO. So you can tell it's a consists of the four main words: detection, assessment, understanding, and after that prevention is also required to for the medicine safety, for the health safety of the individuals. Here one thing comes adverse effects or adverse events better. So I will discuss later on what is the adverse event, but just I am telling or giving an example for your understanding. Adverse event means suppose see let's make an example that one person is taking a medication. He or she is taking Benadryl cough syrup for their cough, and later he has been diagnosed a cancer. So that he is taking a medication for cough and he has been diagnosed a cancer, so that's the cancer is the adverse event. So there is a product that is called Benadryl, and after taking he has been detected cancer, though the cancer may not be related to that medicine, but here as he is detected after taking the medication, so it's called the adverse event of Benadryl. It's just for an example. And in adverse event there will not be any kind of causality relationship. That means there will be no cause effect relationship with the event as well as the medicines. You will get to know later on, or just for your understanding I am providing the example. And one more example I can give you. Suppose a patient is taking ibuprofen for pain management, and after taking the ibuprofen he fails. So falling after taking that ibuprofen, that is called falling is that adverse event. As falling may not be related to that medication ibuprofen, but as he has taken the medication ibuprofen after that fall occurred, so the falling or fall is called that adverse event, just for your understanding. So WHO definition, one is to mark it off if it's asked in the interview what is that. So now you have already got to know that what is pharmacovigilance, what is the etymology, what do you mean by colloquial term along with definitions. So it's play a very crucial role, objective of that to ensuring the safety and efficacy of the medicines throughout their life cycle, means from their drug development to the post marketing surveillance. As you know, for the drug development process, first of all preclinical study is done, then it after a successful completion of the preclinical trial it goes for the clinical trial. So for conducting the clinical trial, investigation and drug application has to be submitted to the FDA to conduct the clinical trial. Then after phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 they has to go for PMS study. So after the phase 3 they has to submit the NDA, new drug applications, for getting the marketing approval of the medicines. So pharmacovigilance play a critical role and crucial role from the entire drug development process up to the post-marketing surveillance. Pharmacovigilance plays an important role also in the clinical trial as well as the product that is existing in the market also. One has to keep in mind that it starts from the phase 1 of the clinical trial. As you know that clinical trial pharmacovigilance that are most interrelated, because if there is no clinical trial there is no pharmacovigilance. Basically there is no regulatory affairs, there is no medical writing, so all the things start from clinical trial. In the subsequent slide I will also discuss a short notes about clinical trial, how is it that, what is the terminology, what do you mean by clinical trial, and what is the significance of clinical trial and the relationship between the clinical trial and pharmacovigilance. So we will get a very clear picture about that. So I think I have already, this is a very short slides I have prepared. You have to go through some self-assessment. It's for your understanding what you mean by that. What is the pharmacovigilance? What is the meaning of pharmacovigilance? That means the actual answer is medicine safety or the drug safety. Number two, this is the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects known as pharmacovigilance. Number three, pharmacovigilance starts from which phase of clinical trial? That is phase 1, and IND stands for investigation and new drug. So that's all for today. Thank you. Keep watching my YouTube channel. I will come you once again. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.